The Prophet Idris, peace be upon him, is mentioned briefly in the Quran, with limited details compared to other prophets. In Surah Maryam, he is described as a man of truth and a prophet, raised to a high position. In Surah Al-Anbiya, he is among the patient and righteous prophets admitted into Allah's mercy. Some historians identify Idris as Enoch, a descendant of Adam. He lived during a time of deviation from monotheism and was sent to call people back to worship Allah. Idris was wise, knowledgeable, and the first to write with a pen, teaching stars and mathematics, and calling for prayer, fasting, and charity. Idris is described as truthful, patient, and righteous. The phrase, "and we raised him to a high position," is debated among interpreters. Some believe it refers to physical elevation to a high place, possibly in the heavens or paradise, while others see it as spiritual elevation in status and honor. Narratives of Isra and Miraj mention Prophet Muhammad meeting Idris in the fourth heaven, linking it to his elevation. However, the Quran does not specify the nature or location of this high place, and the norm for prophets is death, with no definitive evidence exempting Idris from this. Many interpreters believe the elevation is spiritual, raising Idris's status and honor among prophets. This aligns with Quranic style, where raised often signifies spiritual elevation, as in, "and we raised for you your mention." This view fits with the divine law concerning prophets' deaths. The strongest opinion among scholars is that Idris's elevation is spiritual, due to linguistic and contextual evidence. The Quran focuses on his virtues, and the phrase "we raised him" can carry a spiritual meaning. Physical elevation narratives lack definitive establishment in the Quran. The Quran does not detail Idris's death, but historical narratives vary. Some say he was raised to the heavens and did not die, while others state he died like other humans. The prevailing opinion is that he died like other prophets, with the Quranic elevation referring to status and honor.